when you're here, it's like it's just red. But when you see really here, it's have a little bit of pink.
And the seeds, ano kitang seed?
Saan?
Inside. Inside yan pag mag-uwi.
Put on your shoes, it's a brand new day. Your backpack's ready, we're on our way. In your cute clothes, you're shining bright, with a big smile ready for the light. New adventures are waiting for you. Oh, let's talk about your first big day. So much excitement in every way.
Cherry light.
It's a money tree.
Money? It's not even giving money.
Belief ng ibang religion. It's also like the bamboo.
Yung bamboo.
Sa Chinese.
When you're home, tell me all you learn. Sharing stories, my heart's so burned. Your teacher's kind with a heart so sweet. Making new friends, oh what a treat. With toys to play and stories to share, every moment handled with care. Snack time's coming, taste the fun. Oh, let's talk about your first big day. So much excitement in every way. When you're home, tell me all you learn. Sharing stories, my heart's so burned.
Saan mo nilagay ang sagot? Ito. 8, 7, 9,
Tomorrow's waiting, don't you fret. First day of school will
Oo nga,
never forget.
perfect! Good job! Wait lang. 8 plus 7 is?
21.
Again, paano mo nakuha ang 21 na result? Sige, 8 plus 7 ha, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 pala.
50 pala. 15. So, ito. Oh. So, 9 over 10. Bika meron kang isang wrong eh. So, 9 over 10. Another one pa. Ano, exam pa. Plus pa rin. I love you.
Easy naman. Easy naman.
Wait lang, paano naging 21 yung answer mo na yun?
Because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16.
Put on your shoes,
Pero dapat
it's a
15 na
brand new
ano?
day. Your backpack's ready, we're on our way. In your cute clothes, you're
So next time,
shining bright, with a
lesson
big
learned, huwag kang
smile, you're
mag-submit
ready
ng
for the
answer. Check
light.
mo na lahat. Okay?
New adventures are waiting for you. Oh, let's talk about your first big day. So much excitement in every way. When you're home, tell me all you learn. Sharing stories, my heart's so burned. Tomorrow's waiting, don't you fret. First day of school, we'll never forget.
What's 13?
1, 3. Dito sa baba, ang answer mo, dito sa baba, tikali, oh. Hindi sa side.
21
21?
plus 3.
12. 12. 11 plus 2, 13. Correct. 12 plus 3, hala. Wrong. 9 plus 4, 12. So, wrong 2. 9, 12. 3 plus 7, correct. 6 plus 2, correct. 11 plus 5, 16, correct. 12 plus 1? Oo na.
Ano to?
Ha? 14.
Hindi 14.
Ano?
Dapat 17. I forgot how to draw a 7.
12 plus 1. After ng 12, ano?
17.
12? 12?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Oh, dapat 13. It's okay. I'll try. 8 plus 1, correct. 13 plus 5, ano to?
1 and
9? Wrong. It's okay, we have to do, ano? 11 plus 7, baliktad. Binaliktad mo.
1.
Just 1. Oh, 11 plus 7. 11 plus 7. I-check mo. Check mo sa kamay mo. Di ba linalaktad mo sa kamay? Dapat ganyan. Oh. Dito ka nagsulat eh. So, nag-wrong. So, 81 to, diba? Kasi ano ba? Sige. Anong 11 plus 7? 11 plus 7.
12,
Sige.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
O, 18. Pero dahil ka dyan ka nagsulat, binalik na dapat kanina ganyan lang siya. Nabaliktad ka, naging 81. Baliktad yung sulat mo. Dapat ang 18, 1 una, tapos 8. So, it's okay. So, ganito siya.
Do art with nature. Let's get a...
Si tatay gumagawa ng origami. Tatay ang origami class teacher today. Tingnan akong ginawa ni tatay. Ay, frog!
The friend of my house is Go. Want to make flower art? Get what you want to smash, but just by nature. Only like leaves, flower, seeds, anything. Okay, put. Baliktad. Baliktad.
You arrange it.
Arrange it, what you want design. To get a rock or a thing that is heavy or something you can smash.
Identify the rock. It's what?
Like that. Tapos you
press it.
You press it, then you get a rock. You smash it. You do like this.
Press mo siya. Ano mo man siya, yung papel mo.
You have to press it a little bit, then you
Press hindi yung... Butas mo yun.
Okay lang to because that's not anything. It comes from this. Then we made this frog. This frog, it have a technique. Oh. See, and then this frog have a more technique that is beautiful. A beautiful technique that is he can lift heavy things.
ito na tayo.
Ito butas eh.
Dapat dahan talaga, no? Again.
Tayo.
Ang ganda ng shape, no?
But meron ako ganito.
Ginawa kanina. Yan ang ginawa niya na kanina. This one. To this one.
Iyan na. Hindi na yan. Ready? Wow! Now, the time to tangle this and the time to make your wish. I wish I'll go to the hot spring. Then the wish will flow away and it will go to the hot spring. I wish I will go to the swimming pool.
Pag mag-reload tayo, parang dito sa RS side, yan itong green, tawag natin dito snap. Ito, ilalagay mo sa center point, dito sa knocking point, then pasok. Okay? Ang hold natin dahil wala tayong side, ang hold mo sa ilalim ng arrow. Yan ha. Tapos itong tone mo, once na nag-pull ka, ilalagay mo sa cheek. Yan, straight. Then pull sa cheek. Yan, very good. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Yan lang. Okay. Dito sa center. Then, up. Cheek. Yan lang. Nice. Okay.
Nag-move ka na naman.
My classroom today.
Good job, Ate Kaway. Tingnan naman, ang daming na Meron ka pang O? Good job! Meaning?
Nakangalay na siya kasi nakaganto na siya. Saka yung tayo niya kanina nakaganto na.
So, dapat? Straight? Nakaganyan? Okay. Dapat straight body talaga, sir. Kalikasan, tandaan mo, straight body. And then, what did you learn pa? What else pa natutunan mo? Relax. And then?
Thank you po.
Thank you. Tingin.
Dito.
Again, learn.
Don't move. Don't move. Next, focus. Patience, because you have to learn and learn and learn.